coming in about the cough syrup tragedy. Now, raids on medical stores in Uttarakhand. Raids have been issued amid child deaths related to cough syrups. Health officials conducted raids on pharmacies in Uttarakhand. Raids in Uttarakhand medical stores, hospitals amid child deaths linked to cough syrup. The Uttarakhand government on Saturday launched raids on medical stores and wholesale drug dealers across the state in the wake of deaths in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, allegedly due to contaminated cough syrups. Uttarakhand Health Secretary and FDA Commissioner Dr. R. Rajesh Kumar said drug inspectors in all districts have been ordered to collect samples of cough syrups from hospitals and shops in a phased manner within the month and have their quality laboratory tested so that any defective or harmful drugs can be immediately removed from the market. Chief medical officers of the state have been ordered to implement the advisory received from the central government with immediate effect. Central Drug Regulator, Central Drug Standard Controller Organization (Cdsco) has initiated risk-based inspections of drug manufacturing units in 6 states following collection of 19 samples, including that of cough syrups, antipyretics and antibiotics. The State Health Secretary said the safety and health of children is of paramount importance. He urged all doctors in the state to take cognizance of the central government's advisory and not prescribe banned cough syrups for children. We have Ankit Sharma joining me live for more on this. Ankit, we see now that raids have been going on in medical stores in Uttarakhand. This comes after the cough syrup has already taken so many lives in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. What more do we know?
Yes, Jessica, in view of the medical advisory issued by the central government, the Uttarakhand government also launched several raids and precautionary steps to prohibit and stop sale of contaminated cough syrups in Uttarakhand as well. Many shops were checked by the FDA, and the doctors and CMOs were also cautioned to ensure that cough syrups are not being sold for children under the age of 2 years, and also cautioned to make sure that the medicines are not sold for children under the age of 5 years for coughing and fever as well. Several shops were checked and samples were also collected by the Uttarakhand government, and the advisory has been issued to all 13 districts in Uttarakhand to ensure that no cough syrups are being sold to any children who are being even prescribed by a doctor, and action should also be taken if any cough syrup is being prescribed by any doctor for children under 2. So the checks are undergoing, and the FDA and the medical department has also ensured tough punishment and sealing of the medical shops as well.
Right. But before this, we saw that the officials claimed that these cough syrups were safe. And now we're seeing that these raids are starting in Uttarakhand. And why this tough action after officials claim that it was safe?
Well, after the deaths in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan came to light, there were reports of contaminated cough syrups, and also doctors always say that the cough syrup is not meant for children below the age of 5. Generally, we have seen that cough syrups are not prescribed for the toddlers, but instead some medical shops also sell them in large numbers. To ensure that this should be stopped after the deaths from these states have come to the fore, now tough action has been taken by the government.
Right. So that's Uttarakhand government raiding on pharmacies. Thank you so much, Ankit, for joining in.